How many times can a worm be cut in half and still regenerate? Biologists use the term worm to refer to many different organisms. The ability for body parts to regenerate varies among these organisms, although tails tend to regenerate more easily. If we're talking about earthworms, their tails usually die off when separated from the body, while parts with the head can regenerate tails, albeit often stunted. Some species can even regenerate the front part of the head. It's possible that certain earthworms have the ability to regenerate from any quarter of their body, but it's most likely that many of them will die or end up stunted. However, this has never been conclusively determined, and attempting such a thing would be cruel. Some non-European species of earthworms can continually regenerate worn-out tails, although there are species of worms composed of parts that perform even more incredible feats. Many reproduce asexually by self-amputation and bringing parts together, and so-called parchment worms that live in the sea can completely regenerate from just 1/13 of their former body. Here are some interesting facts about earthworms. They've been sent into space. In the 1970s, NASA sent earthworms into space to study how they would react to microgravity conditions. This research helped scientists understand how different organisms react to extreme conditions outside of Earth. They have over 270 different species. There are a large number of different earthworm species around the world, each with its own specific characteristics and adaptations. They can be cut in half and regenerate. This regeneration ability is often fascinating, allowing them to survive and thrive even after serious injuries. However, it's not true that every part of an earthworm's body that separates from the head will automatically create a new worm. Earthworms are sensitive to light. Although they're known for burrowing through the soil, most earthworms are photophilic, meaning they react to light. This is why you might see them coming to the surface after rain or during the evening. Artistic inspiration. Earthworms have been the subject of numerous works of art and myths around the world. They often symbolize renewal, fertility, or connection to the earth in different cultures and beliefs.